Good job. Now we're on page 21. It has some bees up in the corner. Be careful, I don't want anyone stung. This page you're going to do with a little less help from me. You're going to be doing the same thing we did on the other pages. You're going to be modeling how you solve addition problems. I'll read the words to you, then you can use your counters, and then you can draw your circles, and you can solve the addition sentence. It says 5 dogs and 4 more dogs. Do that now. I hope you did what I just did. I got 5 counters to be 5 dogs. And 4 more counters, I made a mistake, to be 4 more dogs. Now, I'm going to count to see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 dogs all together. Write your 9 here. Remember, when you make a 9, you make a C, up and straight down. Something's missing. Do you remember? You can look back on your last page. Oh yes, we need to draw the counters. We had 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your box should look like this. Now for problem 6, 4 bees. Get out what you need, or draw what you need. 3 more bees. Use your counters, or you can just start with drawing. And then if you put those 2 groups together to add 4 plus 3, count to see how many you have all together. Let's see if you got it. There were 4 bees, so I got 4 counters. There were 3 more bees, so I got 3 more counters. Then I counted all together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 bees. Now I'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4 bees and 3 more bees, all together making 7. Problem 7 is kind of tricky. See how it says this in this orange box? It says think smarter. That means in the math book, when this comes up, it means wait a minute. This isn't going to be just like those problems we've been doing. This is going to make me have to think a little bit harder, be a little bit smarter. But you've been paying good attention. I know you'll get this. Listen carefully to see what's different. Julia has 4 books on the table. She puts 1 more book on the table. Then she puts 2 more books on the table. How many books are on the table? Did you hear what was different in that one? Let's act it out and see. Julia has 4 books on the table. So I will put 4 counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, to be the 4 books that she put on the table. Then she put 1 more book on, so I put 1 more counter for 1 more book. But now something different happens. Then she puts 2 more books on the table. What do I need to do now? I'll have to get 2 more counters. So she has 4 books on the table, 1 more book on the table, then 2 more books on the table. How many books are on the table? So now we have to count all of the counters again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So she has 7 books on the table. Did you see what was different? This time we had 3 groups of numbers to add. A group of 4, a group of 1, and a group of 2. You don't need to write the addition sentence, but if you wanted to, you could try it. Does anybody want to try that? Do you think you're ready for second grade work like this? Let's see if you can do the way the second graders would. Let's see. We had 4 books, so I'm going to write in my addition sentence a 4 to be the first 4 books. She put 1 more book on, so I have to add 1 more. Now the tricky part. Then she put 2 more books on. Well, how can I show that? I already have my addition sentence. Does anyone know? Wait a minute. I'm adding another group. I just need to say plus 2 more. I have a group of 4 and a group of 1 and a group of 2. And altogether that made 7 books. Again, you don't have to have this addition sentence, but since some of you are so smart and doing this way too quickly, I thought I'd throw in a little second grade question. Let's go to number 8. Oh, it has a little special box next to it too. It says go deeper. That means it's going to be a little different than what we've been practicing on all the other problems. Diego drew cubes to show adding to. This is the problem he's trying to solve. 2 plus 8. Draw to show how Diego should fix his problem. So it didn't tell us to use our counters. It said we need to fix what Diego did. Can you see what he did wrong? Let's see, my problem says a group of 2. Yep, he's got a group of 2. He wants to add 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see what he did wrong? He only drew 7. You need to draw an extra cube there. Do that now. Now he has a group of 2 and a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a group of 8 to match his addition sentence. Now we can count them to find out how many altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8 more makes 10. Good job. When you have that page done, please click on the link left of the green arrow at the bottom of the page like always, and then we'll do the next page together.